Hi there. Data is one of the most valuable asset of the 21st century. Recording, processing and representing data in any sector is of paramount importance. You are a student pursuing graduation, engineering or a management degree. Knowing and playing with data in any sector will be a crucial skill for you to become employable. What is important is to also know how much to study to become analytics employable. And for this, SkillEdge is proud to announce a very unique, first in the industry, an analytics program which is a combination of analytics with soft skill. And you know what? This program is tailor-made for 3 fundamental job roles: data analyst, data researcher and business analyst for IT, ITES and IT consulting sector. You want to experience less is more, 30% of skilling gives you 100% of employability. You want to experience real-time business case studies of analytics, and you want to experience mentorship for a year. Analytics Edge is the program to watch out for. What are you waiting for? Experience and explore the edge through Analytics Edge. Thank you.